Hello, and what the heck is up, my Atlanteans? So you must be wondering why I sound like this. I caught a cold. It's not anything serious. Obviously, like, I'm able to move. I'm just feeling a little congested, as you can hear. I just thought that it'd be like really funny if I opened a doll with this voice. I just wanted to know how that would go. Also, I got Justin Bieber Timbit. My amazing boyfriend also got me the Justin Bieber fanny pack, and I'm really excited. I think I'm gonna open that with you guys. I think that's gonna be really fun. So, here are the Timbiebs. Let's try these before we get into what we're actually playing with today. So here is the first one. In case you don't know what Timbiebs are, in case you're from like the future, Timbiebs, this happened 29th of November, 2021. Justin Bieber and Tim Hortons. It's like a Canadian, it's basically fast food, but it's like really known for its coffee. And their version of like donut holes is called Timbits. And Justin Bieber is Canadian, so Timbiebs. So yeah, here's the first one. Coming from a Canadian kind of level of understanding. This one kind of just looks like an overglazed, like regular chocolate Timbit. Let's try it and let's see how it is. You guys, because I'm sick, I can't really taste it, but I can taste the chocolate, like the chocolatey part, but I can't taste like the good part. Okay, I'm gonna take one bite. Gonna save this. Next, we have this one. It looks a lot like the cinnamon Timbit. Once again, it's overly glazed, and it looks like there's like random somethings on it. Let's try it. Okay. Yeah, so I was gonna say it tasted kind of like, is it birthday cake Timbits? I don't know what it's called. Some kind of Christmas thing. You know what? I think it tastes more Christmassy than birthday-y. And then here is the last one. There was only 3 different flavors. This one looks a lot more interesting. It's kind of shaped like, there's this one Timbit, I think it's called honey glaze or something. Sour cream glaze. I think it's called something like that. And it looks like it's kind of shaped like that. I think those are like breadcrumbs on the outside and chocolate bits. I don't know. Let's find out how this tastes. I literally cannot taste it. Not like COVID, I can't taste it. I mean, like, it's really hard to taste it because I'm so congested. But I can tell that it doesn't taste like the sour cream glaze Timbit. It kind of tastes like the honey crullers with like a chocolatey aftertaste. So that was the Timbiebs. I'm so happy that I got to taste it with all of you. But this video is not done yet. We still have a doll to open. For today's really exciting video, not only did I taste the Timbiebs from Tim Hortons, we're gonna be opening up Barbie Extra number 9. So, Black Friday happened and she was on sale at Indigo, which is basically like a Canadian Barnes & Noble. So went to their toy section. I wanted to see what was going on there. We got Barbie girl, or Barbie Extra number 9. She honestly, like, looking at the original photos of her, I knew that, like, because I only have one other one. I brought her here with me. And I don't particularly like Barbies, but some of these Barbie Extras are really, really cute, and I'm only buying the ones that, like, speak to me. So I got Barbie Extra number 1 and number 9, like the concept or the prototype photos, like, really shook me. And honestly, when I saw what they were actually gonna do with number 9, I was a little disappointed, but also, like, I still think she's, like, really, 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 really cute. So I'm going to open her up today. Taking a look at the box, it's the exact same shape as the other Barbie extras. We've got like this trapezoid shape at the front, and little like tinier little triangles on the side here. Here it says a Barbie extra, and we've got like a little illustration of the girl and her little pet. And I love how the barcode is like decoed, like little stickers. Oh, and speaking of stickers, we got a little lollipop sticker that's on the box here, and of course you could shake it. Then on one side here it says Barbie extra in all pink, and you can see the illustration of the girl as well. And then on the other side we've got all green, a little gradient, and we've got her little pet illustration as well. On the inside of the box there's actually a little thingy that says 15 styling pieces, and then it includes a pet. Does anyone actually care about the pets? Please let me know in the comments. Then on the back here, you can see all of the Barbie extras in like this wave. And you can see the completed illustration of the doll with all of the 15 like styling pieces that she comes with. And yeah, we got the normal like legal stuff. She was originally $40 and I got her for $28 in Canada. That's like pretty good for a Barbie extra because usually they're like $40. So I am going to get this girl out of her packaging and we're gonna take a closer look at her pet, everything she comes with, okay? All right, y'all. So I just got a Barbie extra number 9 out of her box, and honestly, she looks so cute. So first things that I noticed out of the box, say what you will about Barbie and their lack of quality, but the one thing that you can definitely count on them with is the lack of like extra tape and extra like crazy packaging other brands might do. I really loved how easy it was to take her out, and like the box wasn't so full of like random packaging bits. It was a really clean opening experience, and yeah, I just liked it a lot. I just wish that other companies could see that and realize that that could probably be better for the environment. Though I understand and I know that like a lot of other companies are still trying to be better for the environment. I just think that when you're doing stuff with dolls, you should probably watch out on the packaging or do what you can, because it works for Barbie in particular, like it works, so there shouldn't be a reason to not. Here's number 9. She's looking so fly in her little outfit here. I am obsessed with this face mold. She's got the little, I don't know what this face mold is called, but I love her little dimples. I love her wider face. She's so cute. She's got like it's really nicely rooted, like from what I've seen so far. Like I don't see any holes at the moment, especially because of the way that she was rooted, so like there's no real space. But you can see that she does have a shaved head. It's not flocked. So if that's something that bothers you, make sure to look out for that. She's got beautiful purple eyes, and she's got like a really pale pink lip, which I don't know how I feel about. I mean, it works really well with the outfit because it's like super crazy and super loud. It makes sense to have like a more neutral kind of makeup situation. She is actually wearing, or she actually has the thicker Barbie body. She has like the standard Barbie body, or is it the tall one? I can't tell. But she has like the standard Barbie body, and this one has like the more thicker body. And I really like that. I really like that we're getting like articulated versions of the different Barbie bodies. Let's talk about her outfit straight away. She is wearing like this giant, not giant, but like this really frilly cardigan thing, like tulle cardigan thing. I can't tell you if it's like super high quality because I don't know what high quality tulle feels like, but it does feel very nicely constructed. You can see on the inside all of the little seams and stuff, and it doesn't look messy, and there's no like fraying threads anywhere, so it looks really good from the outside as well as the inside. Let's take that off, and then we'll take a look at what she's like wearing underneath. Ooh, she looks so cute. Oh, I love that. Okay, so it looks like she is wearing this maxi dress. It says shine bright like the stars. Very Forever 21 vibes. And it's just rainbow, and the material it's in is like pretty thin. It's very like Forever 21, if you know what I mean. It's got silver straps, and it's actually a separate piece from the t-shirt that's underneath here, and it's just a plain white t-shirt, I think. Yes, it's just a plain t-shirt. Like, I can't. T-shirt, she is wearing thick white stompers. They look like Converse platforms. The sculpt of it is very nice though. Of course, I would love to see a little bit of paint there. In terms of accessories, she does come with 5 different hair clips. One of them is like one of those like pearl, like giant pearl clips. One of them is like those thinner pearl clips. One of them is flowers, one says love, and one of them is like fancier pearls, which I think is very in. It's very trendy. That's the point of these dolls. It's like trendy to the extreme, you know? And she's wearing these giant silver hoops with a little star on the end. She is actually wearing a really cute little, I don't know what that is, but it's a little bracelet, which is like really nice. Oh my god, I'm so sorry you cannot see that, but she's wearing a little silver bracelet. She does of course come with a little alligator pet. I mean, as far as like plastic pets go, he's like pretty dense plastic, so I guess he's pretty good quality. He doesn't move in any which way. He looks super happy. He's super cute. If you like collecting the little animals, I think he'd be a really good addition to your collection. And he's got these little grills that say sweet. It's kind of cute actually. It's kind of cute. Yeah, he's just like a thick chunk of plastic. He comes with a little pair of yellow sunglasses, and they're like little stars, and it's really cute. They're kind of bendy. I think they're supposed to fit the alligator and also her. Yeah, and they kind of work on her as well. Like, she has a pretty crazy outfit. I think I'm gonna keep these sunglasses on her. Yes. And she does come with a tiny little keyboard inspired purse. I actually really like the little chain details and the little pearls that go around it. It kind of like feels like one of those portable keyboards, if you know what I mean. And the last accessory that she comes with a little lollipop. In like the artwork and stuff, it's the alligator that's like kind of playing with this, but I've seen photos of her holding it, so I guess kind of just like the little dog treats that come with Barbie Extra #1. It's kind of like just for fun. I'm kind of sad that it's just one color. I would love to see it like dipped in white so it looks like this the paper like stick that goes through it, and like maybe some like blue. Okay, anyway, sorry, I'm being so critical, but like I gotta say, like, for like a fashion doll, I'm not even complaining, because like we got everything that we want. I think the only thing is like feeling her hair out of box. It's like pretty soft, but like you can tell that like over time it can get like that polypropylene kind of like matting, if you know what I mean. You can see how like flimsy the hair kind of is, but it doesn't, like, it's not bad. She's not ugly at all. I love her a lot. Like, I'm really happy that I got her, and I'm really happy that she's out of box because I'm excited to play around with her a little bit. Of course, she does come with all the little standard Barbie Extra articulation moments. She has flat feet. I've never had a Barbie with flat feet, and this is my first time. I'm not mad. I like platforms, so I'm not gonna yell. Alright, y'all, so that is everything for this short Barbie unboxing that we've done today. Let me know what y'all think about her in the comments. I really like her. I love her. Is she like my favorite doll in my collection? No, but she is super cute, and she looks like she looks really good next to her, and I think that they'd be like really good friends in real life. And yeah, I'm just like super happy with how she turned out. I wish that Barbie strived to do more, because I think that like if they even just like went with their first initial prototype idea, that would have been a lot better. But regardless, she's super cute and I love her a lot. If you like little figurines of little animals, if you think that's cute, you're gonna love this, because it's a heavy chunk of plastic, and it's like the paint applications are really nice. Like, I'm not actually complaining about the thing itself. I'm complaining about the fact that it came with this and not a second outfit. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want. Hit me up on Insta at Atlantix.jpg. Hit me up on TikTok at Atlantix.mov. Thank y'all for watching this video. Please, thank you for listening to my little sick voice talk about dolls. and Justin Bieber Timbits. I really appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for 200 subscribers. I know that's not a lot, but like for me, I don't know. I just thought that like that's super cool, and I'm super glad to have 220 friends. Thank you for coming into my life. Thank you for liking my videos, and thank you for hanging out. Let me know what y'all think about her. Let me know what y'all think about Barbie Extra. What is your favorite Barbie Extra doll that came out? And like, tell me why so I can get more. I know maybe I shouldn't be wanting more, but I'm close, you know? Alright, y'all, that's everything for today. See y'all on the flip side. Bye-bye.